Are you ready to add some sizzle to your dinner table? Well, buckle up and get ready for the ride of your taste buds, because we're about to whip up the ultimate bang bang shrimp recipe. Trust us, once you take a bite of these crispy fried shrimp that are drenched in that creamy sauce, you will be hooked. So let's get cooking today on the Stay-at-Home Chef. The name Bang Bang refers to the spicy and creamy sauce that covers the crispy fried shrimp. To make that sauce, in a bowl we're going to mix together a half a cup of mayonnaise, a fourth a cup of sweet chili sauce, then 1 to 2 teaspoons of Sriracha sauce, and I'm a wuss, so I'm only going to give it a little bit. Then for just a little touch of extra sweet, we're going to add in 1 tablespoon of honey. Then stir that all together until it is smooth and combined. Now that's some bangin' sauce. It's all ready. We're going to set that aside and let's get working on the shrimp. For this recipe, we're using 1.5 pounds of these beautiful large shrimp that are thawed, peeled, and deveined. And for this recipe, I like to have the tail off, and lucky me, that's how I bought them at the store. To make the crispy coating for the shrimp, in a medium-sized bowl, we're going to add in 4 egg whites, 2 tablespoons of cornstarch, and 1 teaspoon of salt, a half a teaspoon of white pepper, and then whisk those ingredients together. Now I know white pepper is not a common pantry ingredient for a lot of people, so feel free to use black pepper and this recipe will still turn out delicious. Pour that mixture right over the shrimp and make sure they are swimming in it. Give those shrimp a little toss to make sure they're coated, and then let's head over to the stove and get frying. Pour 2 inches of vegetable oil into a large heavy bottomed pot. Heat the oil to about 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Working in small batches, fry the shrimp until they are cooked through and golden brown, which should take about 2 to 3 minutes. Remove the shrimp from the oil and drain them on a paper towel lined plate or pan. Then once those shrimp are finished cooking, we're going to cover it in that delicious Bang Bang sauce. Gently toss to coat. Garnish with some green onions, and then you are ready to enjoy. Thanks for watching. You can find the full written recipe in the video description below. Be sure to check out thestayatHomeChef.com, where you can find hundreds of restaurant quality recipes you can easily make at home. We'll see you later.